Hey gang, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Today I'm going to do a video on Cannabis Infused mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes just came out in a poll as one of America's favorite foods. Well, I understand why. Mashed potatoes always been one of my favorites. But good mashed potatoes. I've had some nasty ones, runny, sloppy, horrible ones. I'm going to show you how to make a really nice Cannabis Infused mashed potato today with a couple little twists on the butter. You ready? Let's get started right now. Now the first thing you want to do is subscribe to the channel, click that little bell to get future notifications, and share with all your friends. But let's get started on these whipped honey butter infused mashed potatoes. We have 2 pounds of russet potatoes we are going to put into a pot of lightly salted boiling water. We're going to cook that for approximately 30 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft. Here's what our infused honey butter looks like. We used 3 ounces of this. That was approximately 190 milligrams. Now you can see how I made that compound infused honey butter in a previous video. I'm going to put the link down below. Now you see our potatoes after they've been strained off and put in a bowl. We're adding our infused honey butter. After that, we're going to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Very simple, easy recipe. We're going to blend this real well and mix it up. Now what we got after we finished was 6 portions of honey butter infused mashed potatoes at approximately 31.6 milligrams per portion. Now the reason I made this is my honey got out of the hospital today and the doctor wants her to eat soft foods and she loves my honey butter mashed potatoes. So here we go, baby. These are for you. Now don't forget, everybody, I want you to subscribe to the channel, click that little bell, and until next time, happy cannabis cooking, everybody.